Hey folks, my old Briggs & Stratton has finally given up. So I decided to give the Kobalt 18V all-electric mower a try. Let's see how it does. Let's see what we got. Okay, we have our rear bagger. It's a little smaller than what I was used to with my gas mower. We have our side discharge cover, or deflector. This has options for both side and rear discharge. And finally, here we have our Kobalt 18V Max mower, almost completely assembled. We just need to attach this top portion of the handle and get on our merry way. The mower also comes with a pretty sizable 8-volt battery. I have pre-charged it, as you can see from the 3 indicators here. And the base unit that you can put on a horizontal surface or mount vertically. The only assembly that we have is to install the handle and just remove these nuts. Our cord clips in here. And we're ready to go. Now the handle has 3 height adjustments. I'm 6'2", I'm a little on the taller side, but I'm gonna put it in the center. See how that goes. Next, let's put the battery in. Lift up the cover, slide the battery in, lock securely. There's a release tab here when it needs to be recharged. And there's a safety key here that you can remove if you don't want the mower to be run without your presence. Finally, I love the height adjustment on this thing. One lever, up and down for all wheels. So I'm going to start it a little high. That's the tallest setting, 7 right there. Let's see how high that is. So on the tallest setting, we've given us about a 4-inch height from the bottom of the wheels to the blade at the highest setting. And it gets down into a pretty low golf course mode there, I guess. But, I'm going to go a little bit on the high side. The back grass hasn't been cut in about 10 days, and we're going to see how this does.
To start the mower, squeeze the safety handle, press the start button. You can adjust the self-propelled speed right here, and you enable the self-propelled feature by pressing the button.
So overall, after one use, I like the mower a lot. It had a nice cut. I didn't have to deal with fuel, oil, or spark plug changes, and I could turn the mower on its side to rinse it off without spilling fuel on my lawn. Not a bad feature. I also like that I can store the mower vertically on the garage wall and save some space. Thank you so much for watching Regular Guy DIY. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to get future notifications about videos, and have a great day.